welcome back to the video again, guys. This is a Citroen C5 Aircross 2019 2-litre diesel, which will be in most of the other Citroen and Peugeot, should we say, even in the vans. If you're getting this P2541 low pressure fuel circuit and P0183 fuel temperature sensor, I'll show you where it is and what's best and what to do. It usually goes back to the sensor, but not always, but in this case it is, and I'll show you. So here, them two codes are linked and they are the same, and it's to do with this sensor here. It really is easy to change. You've got this, you lift up, sensor should pop out, replace it. We recommend you get original OEM sensor and not aftermarket, because if you get aftermarket, you're going to be in the same boat. But that's exactly where it is, guys. It's literally a case of getting a flathead, pull this back, and then just change it, replace it. In other words, guys, there's nothing fancy. But check for the voltage, see if you're getting the correct voltage. If you are happy days, then yep.